problem. No, they deceive us. Easy bit. What's it they worry my bonanza?
I beg, back where, my friend?
You don't now problem you put yourself so. One, they give you issue. Now you can't double them.
For your mouth.
You carry and go back.
Now you can't double them. Obi, you be my guy.
Don't worry.
You be my guy, but this one, okay.
From today
Next
go.
of Kings.
Now Jacob, will they do this thing for me? He go bring the cassette with the house. I don't want to play. I don't want your style again. We'll time for cassette. We'll tune to Wazobia FM. Now the way I want them. Now when they call my dog, they'll call her for me. All right, my people, that's still on the matter. The late night show with Obi Martins, Skimpy, and my new bonanza. Ugochi baby. Forget my bonus. Then dash you, then dash me. You. They give me to you.
You don't feel afford me. They don't feel dash me to anyone.
Forget all those my drink. See for my drink for his butter. Why you they look me? He doesn't. I don't see. I got 10 women. I want my 10. No. So I will pick him on my 10.
You know understand say. You know understand say look why they look you na pity and pity.
Pity. Which one they go with?
Waiting.
Be ready after the show. You know where they go.
Yeah, because now they say one woman, one palava. Now you join two of us for body.
I they think of 10.
I'm capable.
I believe you.
Ugochi go come to home and she'll keep quiet. You go to keep quiet. Now you go to tell you. You know, easy bit. You know, I don't want to make me pillow or cutting. I didn't game. All right, my people, still on the late night show with Obi Martin, Skimpy, and Ugochi Baby, aka my bonanza, aka Achalugowa, aka. All right, my people, agree to that once more. This year and the year, we say, man, everything we hope for will come to pass. Everything we will not achieve, we will not complete last year, we will achieve for this year. Let me tell you, just believe, and consistently they do it. All right, still on the matter, now the late night show. If you still want to follow us for social media, Facebook, WazobiaTV NG. For Instagram, WazobiaTV NG. And for Twitter, at W Late Night Show. You will be surprised. I'm saying, Skip, you don't tell her. Maybe you don't tell her well. Because in the jealous, forget. They just smile, they cover up. My bonanza. So now, I want, you know, I don't be fresh. Over the week. I don't say, you know, this is why my bonanza they do so, go to they do so now pattern. All right, Skip, you don't tell me about our guest, and this guy will get a musician, that correct guy. He sing one correct song, Cocoa Butter. I don't want to talk too much because this year now, we give you first class people.
Yes.
Make one help us use an eye. Welcome.
Charass. Mr. Cocoa Butter.
Wait. Charass, wait. Which one do you get access to Charass? What's happening?
Waiting consign.
Obi now where she come, you don't dey
pay you say you don't get
Obi now she come oh.
You don't dey differ now.
3 nights. As I spend 3 nights.
No, Ugochi just they used to and I started the manager since you just take him like that.
I know it's type now. I know how to play.
Una almost watch our dirty box and for where Charass.
You get box.
Okay, Charass, welcome. How you doing?
I did fine, my people.
Yes, you don't even need to talk plenty. Anybody who don't see your face go no say yes, you are basket because you are looking.
See, wait, John, what did they want? See, wait, hey, young man. Which one of the hell
No, me and you, we did together.
Yeah, we did together. No, you.
We will just talk outside before we enter.
So, now we call your plan change. You see my left and right, your plan change.
Guy, my hand, my friend. Guy, I beg, you know.
Waiting 1 year as head of the house, what I be foul picking where you don't carry when it's small.
No, nobody they drag the title with you, no, only you.
Thank you.
They say what did they make he go to the smell, he didn't say Bele. So, Charass, what did your mind? I want to see your phone number. Make us see any of the calling phone number first. No, this year I don't want nonsense this year.
Go follow us on Twitter, go follow him back.
For where?
For where? Phone number.
I don't go subscribe your Twitter for you. In fact, your own Instagram be an RPM. I don't go.
Which one you dey pay before? Okay, no time to check time. Charass, you na visit on top this show. Yes, and stylishly self Ugochi na visit on top the show.
Yes.
But the thing I be say we dey start from Cocoa of the day. Yes, so that level we be say we dey talk about plenty things where country people need to be Martinabi. And on top today, Cocoa of the day, we get one level on top with table. This one about SCBN governor. We still be Emir of Kano. Yes, that's Sanusi now they talk about. They say he don't begin to press up. That one means he don't begin prepare now to marry girl will be 17 years old. Yes, 17 years old girl. Now I want carry proof for house. And now you go wonder, say this one no be the first wife within the house. This one no be second. No be even the third wife. Now the fourth he won't take and do. So waiting go there plenty people might now be say, okay, you don't already get 3 inside the house. Why this 4th one? And then not be say the 4th one don't mature. Now just 17 years. She never even reach 18 where people go say if person don't reach 18 years, they feel slaughter and share you get. So now the level be that one. This one are waiting people they think. But seriously, how on a reason the issue?
Really, I don't understand though, because you never say where they talk about this child marriage, child wife, bride thing, finish. You know, when we've been fighting against that, most celebrities come out say they don't like the matter, they don't like the the idea, and yet see this man where we hold with high reputation for the country, still they go back one go.
You know what happened? Say, Charass, before you come, these two women they want to suffocate my emotion, but because of who I be, foul picking with ego no carry when it's small.
Sure.
I don't grow now to pursue ego. You understand? You see this matter where is so. Because of the way Nigeria be now, and because we support child marriage, abi? You get one time when they say most say no to child marriage as a picking marriage. Yeah, Sanusi na my mentor. You know what's my mentor? Because he get 3 wives. And me now, 2, I just again now. If I make me vex, I will carry 87 years old woman call this. I'm not too go do.
You are welcome.
You wicked. Back to the matter, I don't go deviate. You understand? Sanusi don't get 3 before. And if you know how the story they go, they say this 17 years old girl, he wants to lock up one friendship. So that he will be.
Yes, they say the pikin na the daughter of Lamido of Adamawa. So now say Kano, if he marry this 17-year-old girl, now will be the man.
Kano and
Adamawa now then go come together, their bond go tight.
All these things where they see, skip no vessel. All these things, you know why you think they funny me? All this now, all those things happen those days. Say you must marry this one, they don't born up together. Now, too many things don't change. Don't be say it change same old way tradition. Don't be say it change, but Sanusi na learned person will go school.
Yes, now.
You don't understand? Now, I don't know how things they happen these days. Now, child abuse will call this one. I've been a pedophile.
Nothing personal.
Okay, because now the other thing where they my mind now be say if on won't take and strengthen on a bond, on I don't consider the 17-year-old girl. Waiting she know, she accept, but she won't go beside now.
They say their religion, they accept them.
Who should see?
Okay, now religion, they accept them.
With respect to religion. I don't say they feel us with this discussion.
I think the whole thing, they use that stuff for like excuse or whatsoever, because I don't think say the girl on her own go like do that kind of thing, whether tradition or no tradition.
You say, this matter is very, very sensitive, because you're going to touch one place, you don't touch another place. But more talk as it be. And late night show be this. If we talk, we die. Yes. Make I talk and make I know what happen to me if I don't see me again. Waiting.
As the ego don't carry you that time.
Ego don't carry. Oh, Charass, oh, you one shot again. One shot. You see, this is my bonus and they laugh. As they give me joy.
If I call you for now, I go say.
I be foul picking. Where ego no carry when it's small. The guy will get the all skip did that voice. Skip, you know all these things. You know tell you fago. You see, back to the matter, Charass. Make you know the all in the name of religion. Make they hide some things. You see that girl, them go don't tell that girl say na like this be. I mean, if you say, what do you believe? Now, they tell us a chair. Now, what do they use sit down, abi? You say right for small, they tell us a chair. Now, what do they use eat? We use them. But now, education don't teach us so many things. No, they say education, they come out our tradition from us. But check them now. Check them. They say from 18, you be adults. I mean, a lie. She be the emir of Kano, maybe ex-CBN governor, maybe Sanusi Lamido Sanusi. When in there for CBN as governor, they pass that bill, abi? In no, when they say no to child bride. Make we know they use black, they call white. Make we know they use white, they call. Now my mentor. But for this one, I don't marry, so not my mentor again. But for the 3 wives we marry, me, I don't marry 2. I dey come with 87 years old. I beg you, where they are viewers. If your grandma, they're single, tell her, go catch bouquet for any wedding. If you catch the bouquet, make she come propose to me. Me, I go say yes.
No run, no.
For waiting, am I okay? What go run?
87.
Foul picking.
Okay.
Where he go no carry 87 years old man I want marry now.
Wazobia.
I don't even want sick man, don't worry. Just ask him between day. I carry you come. As soon as you go day, I will carry mama come. Mama we don't old. You go last for side. I want to go talk for head.
Obina, waiting you get for money down on abi. You know go one. Okay, this one go make me ask you and Charass most especially say, girl where you want marry, how many age gap you go want me there between una?
Shall I talk through?
Yes, I beg.
To me.
To us.
Must say 4 or 5.
Okay, 4 or 5 years.
So if you marry 2 years, please, you know.
Now the problem where you get with your...
Is it your problem? Shebi listen now.
Okay, now when we go back to you, you where they talk about 57 and
87.
87. You not true. I mean, you they joke. You feel marry 87 as your age. I know so you never if you plenty never reach 30. Okay, even if you reach never past 30. You feel marry 80. I just they talk now. You don't reach.
Hey,
okay, if you don't reach.
You don't go pass keep yourself. My even person will carry you give me my carry back. Make person go carry you because delay is dangerous.
I answer the question.
Skippy. There's every person no value waiting gets. When you want lose another I go clear. I bet Skippy you are good. Skippy, forgive me my trespasses. As I forgive you your own trespasses.
No, you must marry this wife.
Is it by force?
By fire, by force.
By fire.
You must marry.
By waiting.
But seriously, answer that question where she asked you. How many age gap, how many years difference you go want made between you and your wife?
See, the most people say the truth be say, we no deceive ourselves. Like my late father would tell me, the most important thing for this life is your happiness.
Okay.
Whether the person will man is you know you, so long say una two don't agree. See, now your happiness will not matter. Because if no matter money where you get, if you know happy, zero your mind. You don't understand. Whether the person as you know with 1 year old, 2 years old, 10 years old, 4 years old, the most important thing we are going to see the talk, we say, make we happy. Sure. You know, so if I say 2 years, you, how many years I tell you, you were marry you? I don't even know how many years you be safe, if I marry you safe. And that thing I forget to ask them when they carry you give me. If they do this one, I never, see, the way you never hold, Skippy, give me advice. Forget how to do it. I don't tell you before I go. And now play at the play, I just go there.
No, on this case, you are so very on your own. You're there on your own. Okay, now maybe move enter the next.
Move where? No, give me advice, Skippy.
No, you're there on your own.
Our viewers, I beg you. Now God, I beg you now. I don't seek una opinion. And you wait on bar share, I go return the money. I beg, tweet at me. At W Late Night Show. I'm my own Twitter handle at IamObi Martins. Advise me. I beg you. Make a manage this person. If I manage her, I feel die before my time reach you. I feel Skippy, why you do
foul picking, why you they fear? Why they cry?
Foul picking, no they fear. Me my mama go wake up on this. I don't see my feather again as foul.
I don't look that harmless and harmful.
No they beg them.
Hello.
Hi. Skippy carry us.
I just did look on at you, okay? Okay, no, seriously. So now maybe we move into the next level of the cocoa. And now the next level already on top of our table now about General Buhari. Yes, they're saying attend Lagos State annual Thanksgiving. Yes, General Buhari, that one now APC presidential candidate saying come Thanksgiving. And now waiting people will begin wonder now be say, okay, we know here last year or last 2 years or last 3 years, even last 10 years, say you attend Thanksgiving. Sure you get. So now, waiting carry you go there. She not part of the political blah 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 blah. Say many people for no say yes. No be only Muslim I feel do Christian self. Are they adaptable? Sure you get now one of the things where go there plenty people might be that.
You know say one thing about this matter be say, Charass, look on the post on my ladies. You follow for the discussion. But back to my matter. Why be saying that now you go church? You know say last time for election. No be this church when come, now go. He go Pastor Tunde Bakari church. Abi? I don't tell people, say, what this man won't do again, we go make us vote for him. He follow Pastor Tunde Bakari. Pastor Shibaju, Abi? Maybe the next one, Okoji, and I can't the Catholic church you go.
Or TV.
Then that one happen. Maybe the one you go happen, him and Bible. Him and Bible. He ain't go church last year. Why be saying that now? Don't be say, I don't do any party. Me, I won't talk as it be. That's why I be foul picking. So if I talk and finish, if I don't see me tomorrow, I know what carry me. I'm gonna ask my 2 wives.
You go talk and as it be for your mind.
Because yes, now our civic duty, our right, our franchise, as what they call them, to vote and to be voted for.
Yes.
But the way politics they go for this country now, when they let us the better person make you win. The better side. If you like go strike, go anywhere. The better side make you do it.
As you know, be clash of the titans where they'll say if one person no win, something must happen.
And me, I go advise youth. because now our youth, now we go talk to ourselves. Charass, they feel me? Sure. Maybe if they sing your song, they put all those things because they don't come, they say I will be leaders of tomorrow. May nobody deceive us to go front, go kill ourselves. Because if government bab you, the self-contained they don't build now for Kirikiri, they don't furnish out, and the house rent no even cost. So Skippy, this whether they go church or they don't go church, make them not come begin turn politics for church level, you know. A good men of God they come outside himself to contest. I know they against her. Moku no they against her. I mean no be so.
I just feel say all this one are just political as you talk am. He just they try connect with him running mates. You know say that one a Christian, he na Muslim. So just they try get this sin.
If not, so may running mates go mosque.
Okay,
that one too, don't worry. The next they read news.
The point now be say when he enter finish now, because we don't talk and say na part of political something. When they elect and finish, for those years we go take the office, he go church.
No, president not supposed to be biased. You know, after all our current president that the Agbada, they go functions. I mean, no be so. So no supposed to be biased.
No, you no go need to change the religion because of saying a president. In a particular religion before him become president.
Exactly.
So you no go there.
You know, they go church. If they invite a con church, you after all, fashionable they go church.
Yes.
No be fashionable Muslim. Man.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. So nothing there much there, but maybe they don't come begin use politics to another thing.
Okay, Charass. I believe as you they nod your head, you they follow the
very well.
Okay, now maybe we talk about this one. I know say you never hear about this one. They say University of Florida baller takes a dump on himself.
What to be done? Ain't shit for your body.
I don't know. It's the world they fear you.
I tell you, late night show. Any small picky when they watch this show for this kind of night,
now
you wish. I you know what they wake you wish. Go sleep. Won't talk so many things when you concern you. Men won't discuss.
So now the coconut be say they say now this baller as they play the game, in do it in shit for body as on a TikTok and he shit for body. Now the point now be say she na shit with the siso.
Na butter.
Because me I dey try reason am from another angle. We don't know where he don't sit down before. She you get whether he sit down top dirty, the thing can't stay now.
You know say this matter eh? You say so can see more talk one thing Charass Skimpy see the matter be say more talk to you know say some kind times you go one mess maybe when they play that ball a mess you one mess and all those mess we be say you know that so kind mess dey
jedi mess.
Hey Skimpy you are talking from experience.
No.
So kind mess maybe as you want play they play it's maybe just do you know, mess, my brother, then the thing disappointed and say, oh boy, today, oh, no different. That poor. He no can know now.
He no feel the wetness.
My sister, even when you fly, what they do now?
But you know what I can't still reason again. If he be say he get pile or something.
So where the guy matter go?
No, seriously. Wow. Anything fit happen. If he be saying he
no,
say something go happen.
Maybe you don't go chop what you don't go chop what you get on throat. You know what happen? Say, I don't tell you. I'm telling you from experience. It don't happen to anybody. For Charass, I'll ask you for People's Parliament. Maybe the guy want point, he want to do those silent mess. My sister, my brother, 19 disappointed and say, oh boy, today will different.
But the point now be say, if saying in one cheese, shit go down the cash and small. But on our way, the guys make us corner. If you dey field and shit cash you, it's possible for you to talk say you won't come on before you go shit.
It depends because most of the football they piss for their body, they piss. That's why they collect water, you know.
The thing be say once you don't enter, you don't enter. So I think every player must be checked. They go don't check every player, see every player they alright. Because I don't think saying they get any sickness or like you say pile or whatever. So they no go allow. It's not allowed for any player to just come say one player and you know they physically okay or you know. So that thing I don't know. It just happens once in a while.
Ugochi, make I tell you what they have. Because me I be foul picking. I know all these things. There's an okra no they talk past person we plant and no be from Nkubi. He dey hear me so. See, Skippy say no say shit they cash am. You know, I say when shit won't cash you, mess go escort her. And when mess dey escort her, the next thing peace they follow. More talk as it be. Peace they follow. Now, maybe for a mind, and you get some kind of shit will cash you. And late night show we did forget nobody dey in a late night show. So kind of shit will cash you. If mess come, okay, you say if you mess, the thing will go down. the way Ugochi they look me, I don't say no. Say yes, this guy they talk to me for the first time.
The type where wait. The type where if you go visit, again where you go reach, that kind of thing go happen. If you enter the place, you don't go on. You don't know the one to do because if you shit, they go hear the sound.
It's all the old girls, all the old girls when they do like this for office.
Hear the sound.
For what you do,
I won't go out.
And then mess. I be go.
I don't give you.
Okay.
No, make I feel my story. This guy wey mess so, wey shit so, the mess wey escort and disappoint am. My sister, ain't get luck so be for Nigeria. All those fly, they for fly, they play the ball. But we thank God, I don't go blame the guy because that's the call of nature. And the nature tries to say, say no. So now for mess shit. If you look at it for your screen.
Maybe not the anxiety of the match.
Anxiety for shit for body.
Anxiety for making.
They call you rapper. If you look at, they call you rapper cover and say, oh boy, hey.
And they find out.
If people say that is shitty for body, shitty for body. Chai, if not for Nigeria now, maybe opponents they follow you play. Maybe that Skippy be the player now. Skippy shitty for body, shitty player.
Why not Skippy they use? What happened to Obi Martins? Obi Martins.
Yeah, baby.
Shitty for body.
For you, I'll take no for see viewers when I look at viewers like that. If that kind of voice, person tell me shitty, I'll take out. Shitty for body. Don't forget say if you follow us for the late night show for social media, for Twitter at W Late Night Show, and for Facebook, face your book with us. Now WazobiaTV NG, and for Instagram, WazobiaTV NG. Charass still there for the house. You understand? I still get my beautiful babies. You know, I get by my left the old meat inside pot. Skimpy. I still get by my right, the bonanza when they dash me for where I go visit. That's to me.
Mind yourself.
I never touch her now. If I touch her, I'm going to come the next thing, just gentle. You know, tell the story. So my people, tweet at me. Tweet at us because I bring 87 years old woman now, I'm married now. For these two girls.
We dey wait. We dey wait.
Okay, Skippy. For that guy who shit for body, they go don't give a tissue. Okay,
maybe just come on out for a matter. May not be like say we took pork nose and because of Wasabi husband and they call housewife auntie.
You know, for now, Skippy, more go break.
Yes.
Okay. So when we my people more go break, more go market. It's very, very important because this market may give us the small osusu. DJ Exhibit. Don't forget that foul picking where you no carry one small.
Obi, you don't talk this thing like
Obi
7
take this opportunity to go
today.
shit.
So DJ Exhibit just escort us go this way. Thank you.
Eba.